What's your opinion on supermotos? Okay, so this is an unpopular opinion on supermotos. I don't understand the kind of like cult fascination with supermotos. Um, it seems like people put them on some kind of pedestal or something. Um, in my opinion, a supermoto, while of course it can be fun, uh, is just a handicapped dirt bike. It's just a disabled dirt bike. I know on the street it's got more capability or whatever, but I don't understand why you'd want to ride a dirt bike only on the street. Um, it just seems weird to me. But uh, also these early supermotos, these DRZ 400s, a lot of WR 450s, stuff like that. Once you put these heavy wheels and heavy supermoto tires on them, to me, when I do ride them on the road, they feel very sluggish. It feels like a slow dirt bike to be. Now, when you start talking KTM 690 supermoto or something like that, KTM's about to come out with their 890 supermoto. Yes, that's a little bit different, but otherwise, I don't push the limits on the street, and maybe most of you guys do, but I could put a nice set of dual sport tires on on a 450 and have like 90% of that ability that I have on the street, but then still be able to hit a gravel road, hit some dirt, and where I'm at in Appalachia, like the best places to ride there's so many gravel connector roads that take you straight up mountains, and some of them can get so rough they're almost like a trail. I absolutely love it. And maybe it's just me because I lean a little bit more towards getting away from the population. Like, I'm so sketched out riding motorcycles around cars. So I stick to the back roads. And the back roads, you never know when you're going to need to hit gravel, and the supermoto tires are about useless for that. But I understand if you live in a metropolitan area and you just have concrete everywhere as far as the eye can see, and you never plan on hitting any gravel or dirt, then yeah, I mean, I can understand why you'd run a supermoto setup. But I just love having that feeling of knowing if I need to pop off through some grass or gravel, I'm gonna be able to do that no problem with some 60/40 tires or something like that. But they do look cool.